Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I lost a ton of money on Medmen. But before that, I just want to say today's Tuesday and I'm going to watch a movie called Shazam. I don't know if it's going to be good. I don't know if it'll be bad. But I just bought some tickets and I will be going to watch this movie. The trailer looks interesting, but that's about it. So let's begin. So Medmen crashed today. That's right. $3.81, and I lost a total of 50, 45,000 dollars. I lost total of $45,000 on Medmen. I did sell off some of my shares, so because I sold it off, I guess it would be like $60,000 because I did sell off some of my shares around $4 because I knew that the stock price was going to go down. So I sold off because I thought, the charts were telling me that Medmen stock was going to go down. So I sold off some of my position because, but I didn't sell it off because I wasn't 100% sure. And on top of that, I didn't want to lose my ability to rebuy back into the stock because, once you sell, you gotta wait a whole month. And, Medmen could bounce. It could go all the way down and bounce. And I didn't want to lose my ability to rebuy back into the stock. So, and, I still like Medmen. And at this point, there's no point of selling because, it could drop lower. It could go, this stock could go, it could break the floor and it can go to $3. Like I said, Medmen is comparable to Wayland. Wayland has shady management and, Medmen has shady management too. Honestly, Wayland, if they didn't have any shady manager, I think the stock could, be floating around $4 or even higher. Because they have shady manager, they only have a market cap of somewhere around $71 million, I think. Hold on, let me look. $200 million, $260 million. That's kind of high. They must have diluted their stock because I remember that the shares was a lot less. But that's Wayland for you. Because of the shady management, the stock can't really seem to take off. And Medmen's the same thing. Shady management doesn't want to take off. Business still good. I still think Kronos will one day buy it out. And I think that, this is an opportunity. But there are companies that are declining too. And I think the biggest reason why Medmen declined today is because of, the entire market just tanked today big time. So Medmen kind of just followed with it. It's like Planet 13 tanked 39 cents today. Cresco, a company that usually doesn't usually keeps going up, but it went down today. It's $14.86. I'm thinking Cresco could go back down to $8.73. I seriously do. I think that the entire market is gonna pull back big time in the summertime, and the price of the stock will be around $8 and $9. That's what I believe. You guys think I'm crazy, but that's what I believe. I think even though Cresco is awesome, I think Origin House is going to be the same thing. I think Origin House is going to pull back to around $6.20, maybe even touch the bottom of $5.53. That's why I'm saying that Medmen can go down below $3.81 because the entire market, if the entire market gives out, Medmen's gonna give out too. It's gonna sell beyond its limit. It's gonna break the floor and it's gonna go to $3. I hate saying that, but that's what I think. I will be buying some more shares if it dips to $3.60. But I'm going to be patient because there are companies that I really like that are going on sale, and the fact that the entire cannabis market is kind of pulling back right now, it's kind of a scary sign. I'm thinking that even the U.S. stocks are not safe. Like Harvest Health and Recreational, they receive $500 million, but for some strange reason, I think the entire cannabis market is going to pull back, and I think Harvest Health is going to be ending up at $8.10, simply because the entire market is pulling back. Everything is just pulling back right now, and I think this is going to continue for a while. I think in the summertime we're going to have sales of a lifetime. There's going to be stocks on sale everywhere in the summertime. That's what I believe. I could totally be wrong though, but that's what I believe. I think there's going to be a massive pullback. I think that, I was thinking that maybe the US companies will be a little safer because, it's in the US. But I'm thinking that if Canopy and Aurora and Cron and, I guess Afria, if they all pull back, I'm thinking that, the US market is going to pull back too, because it wouldn't make any sense for the US market to be high and the major Canadian players to be low. I think if the major Canadian players are low, if a major Canadian companies crash, I'm thinking that these big US companies are going to crash too, and we're going to be having a buying opportunity of a lifetime. In the summertime, people who are bag holding are probably going to bitch and complain and bitch about it. Yeah, so that's what I think is going to happen. I could totally be wrong, but that's what I believe is going to happen. That's right now I'm trying to gather as much cash as possible because I believe that a summer sale is coming. Like even Kira, one of the crowd favorites. They have they're in hemp, they have dispensaries, they're well capitalized. I would say Harvest Health will be the #1 company in the States right now, but Kira is almost a second, pretty much a second. I would have to say Kira is a second. But Kira and Harvest, they are both beasts of a company, and I believe that they're both going on sale. I believe that they're both going to decline. I think today they both declined big time. Well, 7% for Kira's big, but 3% for Harvest One. Harvest Health is not that big, but still, I'm thinking that this stock's going back to $8. If you guys think I'm wrong, please comment down below. High Tide, call me crazy. I don't know. I thought High Tide could have came out of it could have rallied, but it didn't. And I have a fear that the stock looks like it's downtrending. I do have a fear that this stock is going to be dropping down to 39 cents in the near future. At least this is just my opinion. Just the way it is. That's just the way the market works. It's kind of weird. Should High Tide go down there? I don't know. Maybe. But it doesn't matter. Stocks can be worth anything. A stock could have... a company could have way more assets than the market cap. Sometimes it doesn't make sense, but that's the way the stock market works. Largo is it's crashing. I kind of knew this was gonna happen. That's why I'm not really buying into this company until it hits $1.85. I do believe that it will hit $1.80, $1.85. Will it break it? Could. It could go all the way down to $1.20. Vanadium is crashing. So, as long as Vanadium keeps going down, I think it's going to hurt Largo. High Tide looks like it's downtrending. I mean, it almost broke its downtrend, but it wasn't strong enough, and now it's downtrending again. Oh well. At the end of the day, the only rich people can really move this. I mean, there has to be a planned rich attack, like a bunch of rich people just all of a sudden come in and start buying the crap out of the stock, raising it to $1. But are they gonna do it? I don't know. Maybe. But one day maybe I'm thinking about it logically. I'm like, there are better companies out there. Why would people invest into High Tide? High Tide's not a bad company. I'm not saying it's a good company. I'm just saying that there's better companies out there than High Tide. Like BAM. BAM is worth less than High Tide. And I think BAM is a better company than High Tide. because it's situated in the United States. But BAM right now is $1.52. I think Australia's capital is better than high tide. Even if Australia doesn't really make any revenue, they kind of make a little bit of revenue, but they don't lose that much money. They can't lose that much money because they don't have a lot of staff. So their expenses is, keeping, traveling and paying off the employees that are running around the United States looking for good opportunities to invest into. Zenabis. So I want to bring up Zenabis. Okay, Zenabis is $2.79. It bounced, but if you look at it really closely, is Zenabis that good of a buy? Because if you look at Canopy Rivers, right? Canopy Rivers, I think it's a much better company than Zenabis. At least this is my opinion. Zenabis, Canopy River doesn't lose any money. They have connections to Canopy, which has connections to $4 billion. So if they ever needed to raise money to keep buying into other smaller companies, they can. And then when, let's say, Canopy Growth buys out Company X that they invest into, all that shares that they own will be converted into cash for Canopy Rivers. So Canopy Rivers business model cannot really lose. But yet the stock price is still going down. So, I think Canopy Rivers is a wonderful company. But, even if I think it's a wonderful company, the stock is still going to go down. I think the stock could go down to $2.50. It could break this floor, but I would be a huge buyer if it ever went back to $2.50. I'm just saying, right? And then Canopy is also falling. I think Canopy, will fall to back down to where it was, like $40-ish. I'm thinking, I don't know. That's what I think, but I don't know for sure. Nobody knows for sure. It's just, it looks like it's downtrending. It looks like it's running out of steam, and it looks like, in the summertime we're gonna have a sale of a lifetime. That's why I'm cautious on Medmen. I'm not gonna buy unless I see a really, really good price, and it's coming. It only has to decline another 19 cents, another 5%, and I'm in. I would definitely be picking up some more shares. Yep, that's my plan moving forward. And I'm gonna end it off with Body and Mind. So I came to a realization of something. Body and Mind has a extremely small float, and the fact that Australia's capital owns about 20 million shares, there's about a 27 million shares float right now in Body and Mind's share count. Not a lot of people are gonna be watching this because it's near the end of the video. I could have started this near the middle or near the beginning, but I chose to put it at the end. I would really be shocked if this pulls back because it has such a tight float. There's that shorting would be hard, and yeah, I don't know. I can't see the stock. I mean, the stock could go back to $1, but just it would be tough because people need to sell, and there's not very many shares on the market to sell. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.